Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this pool home for a client. Sits on a huge lot. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, we're out here at 2449 Angler Drive. This one just had a price reduction recently of $194,000. Current list price is $1.195. Sits on a huge 3/4 acre lot, over 33, almost 34,000 square feet. Really nicely landscaped. So again, the lot is huge, so you have a lot of frontage. It's 117 feet across the front. You actually have a side gate over there. We'll go check out the backyard here in a minute. Nice neighborhood, no junk around. Right down the street from Avalon Park. There's like a dog park, little park. Nice travertine decking, patio, walkway. Has a cool little courtyard, lots of greenery. All right, let's go on in and check it out. All right, guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home built in 2001, 1,819 square feet. Again, sits on a huge, almost 34,000 square foot lot. New price is $1.195. Has nice, tall, vaulted ceilings. This house can come turnkey, fully furnished, except for some personal effects, of course. This is a split floor plan, so you have the master on one side and the other 2 guest bedrooms on the other side. You have your slider out to the backyard pool area. Sit at bar top in the kitchen. Real nice piece of granite. The walk-in pantry. This house is on natural gas, by the way, which is a huge bonus for a lot of people. You have a nice backyard shot out the kitchen window. So they did take advantage of the gas for the stove. So you have the master, garage access, and laundry on one side of the house. So this is the master. Big, tall, vaulted ceilings in here. TV hanging on the wall. It's a pretty cool little setup. Pot shelves. Of course, the slider out to the backyard pool area. You have a nice big master bath. Jetted tub with a TV. All tile. Solid surface on the dual sinks. There is a skylight in here with tall ceilings. Up lights in the pot shelves. So you have a double slider glass door into the walk-in closet. Got your security system stuff back in here. Toilet has its own pocket door. And your tiled walk-in shower. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house. All right, so you have a guest bath and the other 2 guest bedrooms on the other side of the house. Call this guest bedroom number 1, the back of the house. The whole house has plantation shutters, and again, this home can come totally furnished, turnkey. So kind of what you see is what you get, minus some personal effects. You have a little walk-in closet. You have your guest bathroom, same type of solid surface counters, glass door, walk-in shower. There is a skylight in here too, and there's a big pot shelves up here. It's kind of a cool setup. So you have guest bedroom number 2 at the front of the house. Tall ceilings in here as well. Also has a little walk-in closet. All right, let's go check out the garage and this huge backyard pool area. All right, you have your laundry off the master in the kitchen and your garage access. All right, so you have a 3-car garage, has a 2-car side that's 24.5 feet deep. And you have a boat deep 47.5 foot bay. Both have 8-foot doors. There is mini split AC in here. So you have a pretty good size mini split unit AC. And there's also a roll-up door in the rear. You have your water softener, hot water is on gas. They have a little TV out here. Turn it kind of into a little workout area. You have your little workbench. Another TV. Let's go check out this pool setup. All right, so you have this killer backyard setup. Has a built-in bar with a barbecue, tile tops, all travertine decking all the way, even under the covered patio. Really nicely landscaped yard. They even have rain gutters. Here's the slider out of the master. Travertine goes all the way down the side here to the roll-up door. They also have a killer lake shot down the way here. This does back to a little wash to offer some privacy. Have a nice gas fire pit and a huge pool. Has a big Baja shelf, has pop-up cleaners. Of course, again, travertine coping and decking. Has some downlights right here. Nice big spa. Looks like they did a quartz finish in the pool. So you can see the lot actually goes down a little bit. Some artificial turf. Let's see if we can check out this lake view real quick. So here's your lake shot from the pool area. It's a pretty nice panoramic view. Bad it's a little cloudy today. Very nice setup for sure. Looks like they have some integrated speakers out here as well. So I just want to give you a little shot of the backyard. So they have this wrought iron gate back here I showed you from the front. And then they have some real nice landscaping and Malibu uplights. Very nicely done. I'm sure it shows really, really nice at night. I'm sure there's some nice pictures in the MLS. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walkthrough of a house over here on Angler Drive. Again, this one was just reduced to $194,000. New price is $1.195. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video as usual. You guys have a happy new year, and I'll talk to you soon.